What's up guys, Sparky Easy here, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your tall holiday decorations. Alright guys, so I'm making this video because I just recently purchased a 13-foot jack skeleton for Halloween, and I noticed a lot of reviews of this jack falling over due to high winds, and it's just because it's not secured properly. So I'm going to show you how I was able to secure my jack or any other holiday decorations that you might have so that you don't run into the same issue. When the wind hits these tall decorations, it wants to bend at the bottom, so the goal is to secure the middle portion using some straps. So I'm going to be using some aircraft cable, and we want to secure the decoration on all four sides so that if wind hits it from any direction, it's secured. I removed the aircraft cable just so you can see how wobbly it is. The ground where I live is pretty hard, so I chose these type of stakes because they're easy to hammer in and to pull out. But depending on where you live, you might have to adjust what type of stakes you use, but that'll be up to your location. These stakes need to be hammered on all four sides. You can hammer them in at an angle so that they don't get pulled out. And what you're gonna do is run the aircraft cable through this hole, and we're gonna customize all four pieces of aircraft cable for each side. There's already a hook on the back of the jack that we're going to use, so once you get the length, you can cut it at the bottom, giving yourself a little bit more slack, and we can always cut it back. I cannot stress this enough, but don't use regular pliers to cut this stainless steel aircraft cable. You have to use the wire cutters that come with it or you'll damage your pliers. But I'll have all the material I use in this video down in the description below. I measured one of the custom cables and it was about 10 feet, so you can probably go a little bit longer and you can always cut it back. You can pause the video if needed, but this is how I did both ends of the aircraft cable. I installed the parts to make it easy to put up and take down for the holiday season. And I'm using a turnbuckle so the wire is just the right amount of length, and you use the turnbuckle on all four sides to slowly tighten all the cables so that it gets real tight and the decoration doesn't move. For each custom cable, you can put the non-turnbuckle side onto the jack or your holiday decoration, and you can put the turnbuckle side towards the ground so it could be easy to tighten. I'm going to show you how I assembled one side because all four sides are going to be the same. Note that the ratchet that I'm using is a 1/4 inch drive with a 7mm deep socket. I used 2 clamps on each side just in case one of them gets loose, it has a backup. Once all four sides are adjusted to your liking, you can go to each turnbuckle on each corner and slowly start tightening them one by one until your holiday decoration is pretty secure. And just like that, your jack or holiday decorations are ready for windy events. Since installing, we've had some decent wind gusts and it's been holding up just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Sparky Easy, peace.